The ZOTAC GeForce GTX 1660 Super 6GB GDDR6 is a fantastic option, combining performance, efficiency, and affordability. Equipped with 6GB of GDDR6 memory and a 192-bit memory interface, this card delivers excellent gaming performance, making it ideal for 1080p gaming. Whether you're playing esports titles like Fortnite or graphically demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077, the GTX 1660 Super provides smooth frame rates and vibrant visuals. Its Turing architecture ensures superior efficiency and graphics rendering, while the inclusion of NVIDIA's features like G-Sync and NVENC encoding enhances both gameplay and streaming quality. The compact form factor is another major highlight. Designed with small builds in mind, the card is only 8.5 inches in length, making it compatible with mini ITX cases without sacrificing performance. Additionally, the dual-fan cooling system keeps temperatures in check under heavy loads, ensuring long-lasting reliability. In terms of connectivity, the GTX 1660 Super comes with DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.0B, and dual-link DVI-D outputs, supporting up to 3 monitors simultaneously. Its 450-watt power requirement makes it accessible for systems with modest power supplies, which is great for gamers upgrading older setups. While it lacks ray tracing, the card still holds its ground with excellent performance in modern games at ultra settings. At its price point, it's hard to beat. Excellent 1080p gaming performance, compact design suitable for small cases, efficient dual-fan cooling system,